There are a few things in your life that will alter if you begin to exercise regularly. In order to accommodate regular workouts into your schedule, for example, you must first learn to prioritize them. You must alter your motivational strategies in order to discover what works best for you in order to stay on track. In case you haven't been working out in a while, here's what you need to know before you get started again. However, in addition to these changes in your way of life, your body will undergo changes as well. It is possible that your body will not alter in the manner that you believe. For example, you may never achieve a six-pack. This is an iconic fitness fallacy, and you may never reach your ideal weight, among other things. Focusing on these outward-based indicators of change in your body, on the other hand, may actually be counterproductive, according to scientists. Instead, it may be beneficial for you to concentrate on the changes that occur in your body that have nothing to do with your physical appearance. Once you begin to exercise, you may notice an improvement in your overall health. In this video, we are going to talk about what really happens as you start exercising. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Number 10. You feel sore. After a period of inactivity, the first time you exercise after a period of inactivity will leave you feeling quite sore. What you're experiencing is perfectly normal. Physical activity causes microtears in your muscles, which the body is then forced to repair and reassemble. That is the process by which muscle growth occurs. And at first, it aches a lot, in fact. However, the more you exercise, the better your body becomes at recovering from exercise. You will experience less discomfort as a result of your workouts as a result of this, but this does not imply that they will be less effective. According to research, as your body becomes more adept at healing muscles, the amount of actual injury that occurs during a workout decreases. So don't give up if your first day back at the gym leaves you hobbling for 3 days, since you're not alone. It becomes less difficult. Number 9. You have more energy. This may appear to be paradoxical, given that you are exerting energy when exercising. Physical activity, on the other hand, has been proved to make you feel more invigorated in general. According to a peer-reviewed study published in PLOS One, around 100 students who reported feeling burned out had their energy levels measured. The results showed that half of them began running 3 times a week, while the other half did not alter their habit. During the course of the 3-month trial, the runners reported a considerable increase in their energy levels. It was discovered in a review of studies published in the journal Fatigue, Biomedicine, Health and Behavior that energy levels are likely to improve even after a single workout, according to the findings. Number 8. You build up muscles. Yes, you will receive gains, as the teenagers would say. When you exercise, you cause small tears in the fibers of your muscles. These tears are subsequently mended and strengthened, resulting in stronger connective tissue and stronger muscles as a result of the process. The diameter of your muscle fibers increases as you gain strength. When you engage in some types of exercise, especially weight training, you will experience an increase in muscle mass known as muscular hypertrophy, which is caused by the expansion of individual muscle cells. This is where the misconception that women will become bulky as a result of weight training originated. This myth, on the other hand, has been widely refuted. No matter which method your muscles develop, they will begin to consume more energy even when you are not physically exerting yourself. Scientists believe that this process contributes to the effect of exercise on metabolism in some way. Number 7. Your brain chemistry changes. Everything from your emotions to your cognitive abilities is influenced by your brain chemistry. When you exercise, your brain's chemistry changes quite a bit, according to research. For starters, you stimulate the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of well-being and happiness as well as a lower risk of depression. Exercising also causes the release of compounds that facilitate the formation of neuronal connections in the brain, according to research. Additionally, chemical changes occur, some of which are believed to be beneficial in the prevention of mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression. Although exercise can be beneficial for people who suffer from anxiety or depression, it should not be considered a substitute for other therapies. Anxiety and Depression Association of America, however, states that it may be beneficial in helping people manage their symptoms. Number 6. Your hormones are affected. A decent workout might induce a change in the hormones that circulate throughout your body. Some of these hormones can make you feel good, such as endorphins and dopamine, which are known as happy hormones. Other hormones induced by exercise, such as irisin, have been shown to affect your metabolism. Some women have an increase in testosterone, which aids muscle growth. During exercise, the fight or flight reaction might be triggered, leading in the release of stress chemicals like cortisol. Hormones are triggered differently depending on the sort of training. A peaceful yoga flow will not produce as many stress hormones as an aggressive HIIT session. That's why some people have issues when they do too much high-intensity exercise. Too many stress chemicals can be damaging. Number 5. You grow more mitochondria. Remember when you were in high school biology and learned about them? Mitochondria are referred to as the powerhouses of the cell because of their ability to produce energy. In order for muscles to function properly, they must be able to transform the molecules derived from food into energy. Exercise, as you might expect, requires a significant amount of effort. When you exercise, your mitochondria must produce more energy in a shorter amount of time. When you begin to exercise on a regular basis, your body really begins to increase the number of mitochondria in your cells. After just 6 to 8 weeks of regular exercise, research has shown that you could have as many as 50% more mitochondria in your body than you did before. This improves your body's ability to generate energy rapidly, which might make exercise seem less difficult. Number 4. You'll get better sleep. If you are having difficulty getting the hours of sleep you require, getting into an exercise regimen may be beneficial. Following a review of studies, it was discovered that exercise can assist increase the length and quality of sleep. It is true that the timing of your workout is important in this case. Working out too close to bedtime might generate a burst of energy in some people, which can interfere with their ability to sleep. According to the National Sleep Foundation, however, this is not the case for all people who suffer from insomnia. Try it if you are able to work out after dark and fall asleep immediately thereafter without any issues. Number 3. Your brain functions better. It's a good idea to exercise, in part because it can make you feel wiser. Running was linked to an increase in cell proliferation in the brain area connected with learning and memory, according to a study published in the International Journal of Neuropsychopharmacology. Exercise enhances the function of a molecule called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, according to another study published by the American College of Sports Medicine, BDNF. This substance aids in the improvement of brain function and cell communication. It may also help you avoid cognitive impairment as you get older. That's one of the numerous reasons why some doctors prescribe exercise as the first line of defense against Alzheimer's and dementia. Number 2. Your heart rate gets slower. The more cardiovascular exercise you perform, the better your heart becomes at keeping up. Over time, your left ventricle will grow larger. As a result, your heart becomes more efficient in pumping blood throughout your body, requiring fewer contractions to transport the same amount of blood. As a result, your resting heart rate, the rate at which your heart beats when you're not exercising, falls. Your heart does not have to work as hard since it beats less frequently. This action, according to researchers, is one of the reasons why cardiovascular exercise is so healthy for your heart health in the long run. Number 1. Your blood pressure decreases. It is only one of the many ways in which exercise might improve the condition of your heart that you should consider. Additionally, both cardio and strength exercise have an effect on your blood vessels. Cardiovascular exercise causes the development of more blood vessels, whereas strength training causes the widening of those blood vessels. Both of these effects can be beneficial in the long run in terms of blood pressure control. The fact remains, however, that your diet has a significant impact on your blood pressure and should be taken into consideration. These meals, for example, could be responsible for raising your blood pressure to dangerous levels. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.